Hey, what's up everybody? Today, I've got some exciting news for all you Motorola fans out there. Motorola is dropping not one, but two brand new phones this month. The Moto G Stylus 2025 and the Razr Plus 2025, also known globally as the Razr 60 Ultra. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the Moto G Stylus 2025. This budget-friendly device is hitting the US market on April 17th for just $399.99, and if you're in Canada, you'll be able to get your hands on it starting May 13th. The standout feature here is the built-in stylus, perfect for note-taking, sketching, or just navigating your phone with precision. You can grab it unlocked from Amazon, Best Buy, or directly from Motorola's website. Or if you prefer a carrier, it's available from a slew of options like Metro by T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, and more. And it's running on the latest Android 15. Now, onto something a bit more high-end. The Razr Plus 2025, launching on April 24th. Internationally, this bad boy is called the Razr 60 Ultra. It's packing some serious power with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a whopping 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of storage. But the real showstopper is the display. We're talking a gorgeous 7-inch foldable AMOLED internal display and a handy 4-inch cover display. The camera setup is equally impressive, boasting dual 50MP rear cameras and a 50MP front camera. Plus, it comes with a 4700 mAh battery that supports 68W fast-wired charging. And yes, it's also running Android 15. To wrap things up, these new Motorola phones cater to different needs. The Moto G Stylus 2025 is perfect if you're looking for an affordable, feature-packed device. Meanwhile, the Razr Plus 2025 or Razr 60 Ultra is a powerhouse for those who want cutting-edge tech with a sleek, foldable design. Alright, that's it for today's quick overview. If you want to learn more about these phones, head over to Motorola.com, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Catch you next time.